trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your home. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world.